There are 5 basic elements of building an online product. The first is your PRD, your requirements document, which spells out in really specific detail exactly what's going to happen in your online product and all the interactions and every bit of functionality. The second are your wireframes, and those are a non-graphical visual representation of your web pages. Basically, think of it like a blueprint of your house. The third are your designs. Once you've completed your wireframes, you're going to put those designs into a visual representation. You're going to put color on the pages, you're going to have all the graphics on there, and it's going to show you exactly what a web page is going to look like. The fourth building block is the development. You're going to take these final designs, and with the requirements document, a developer or developers are going to code these pages so that they work together. And the fifth basic building block is hosting. You're going to put all this code that you developed on a set of servers that are then going to be able to let anyone in the world access your online product. There's specialists to help you with each of these building blocks. Typically, a product manager is someone that's going to specialize in creating PRDs and then great wireframes that really bring your vision for your web product to life. A visual designer, someone who specializes in user interaction or user interface, will take those wireframes and they'll bring them to life in such a way that you can actually see a visual representation of what your online web product is going to look like. Developers, in one of many different languages, are going to program your website, both the front end and the back end database, such that it all connects together and works fully functionally. And then you're going to have to find somewhere that you host this code that developers put together. And that's either going to be a fully managed service provider, co-location, or sometimes you can use cloud-based services that will host it for you. I think that one of the keys to building your online product is to do, at first, as much of it as possible yourself. So even if you're a non-technical person, you can write your first set of requirements. You can create your first wireframe. You can even sit side by side with a designer and give him or her some input on how you want your website specifically to look. And being as engaged in as much of the process early on as possible and doing it yourself is going to help you create a connection and understanding to your online web product that's going to be really key to bring it to life in the very best way.